In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add time and date fields into Google Forms. By the end, you'll have a clean form that collects a specific time and a specific date from your respondents using the built-in question types that make entry fast and accurate. Start by going to Google Forms. Open your browser and head to forms.google.com, then sign into your Google account if you aren't already. This brings you to the Forms home screen where you can create and manage your forms. Click on Blank Form to start from scratch. You'll land in the editor. At the top, you can give your form a title and a short description so respondents understand the purpose. We'll focus on adding the two fields you need, one for time and one for date. In the first question area, open the question type menu on the right side of the question and select time. That instantly converts the question into a time input. Update the question text to something clear like preferred time or select a time. If you need more context, add a brief description under the question, such as how you plan to use the time. You can also toggle required if everyone must provide a time. The time field supports hours and minutes, and your respondents will see either a 12-hour or 24-hour format based on their locale, so you don't need to worry about formatting errors. Next, add a new question using the plus button on the toolbar to the right. A fresh question block appears under the first one, ready to set up the date field. Open the question type menu again and choose date. The question now becomes a calendar picker, which is the easiest and most reliable way for people to provide a date. Rename the question to something like preferred date or select a date. If you want to guide people, add a short description clarifying any expectations, like a scheduling window or blackout dates. If this date is required, switch on the required toggle. With the date type, respondents pick directly from a calendar, which helps prevent typos and keeps your data consistent. That's it, you've gone to Google Forms, created a blank form, set the first question to time and added your time prompt, then added a new question, set it to date, and entered your date prompt. Keeping time and date as separate questions makes it easier to sort, filter, and analyze responses later in Google Sheets. When you're done refining the wording, your form is ready to collect accurate time and date entries from anyone who fills it out.